want to flip this around and drop a golden nugget too. Investors right now, they are scared. They're pulling back. There's not as much happening, and I don't think there's going to be as much happening until next year. So I actually believe that investors have a larger opportunity in third and fourth quarter of this year than your traditional home buyer. And I believe investors are going to see the biggest opportunity they've seen since like probably 2018. Once again, unless you hit that sweet little spot right in the beginning of COVID, because competition is low. And when competition is low, and I know this from both watching the MLS and from my current deal flow. My current deal flow has tripled. So what I'm saying is the just sheer number of deals coming to me. And the more deals that come to me, the more that we can be picky and we can start to squish down and cut tighter margins. There was a deal that was sent to us this week on Tuesday. I look at it, and it's a good deal. And I literally tell the person, I want another 70 grand off. And he goes, come on, no way. And I was like, you have to understand, there's probably only 5 buyers and I'm one of them. And so if you don't want to play, I'll just wait because someone's going to play. So it's a little bit, you need to have some patience and you need to slow down and breathe and make sure that your criteria and your goals are clearly outlined so I can make unemotional decisions. I need to push back and I need to make sure I'm getting the best deal possible in that moment. And if that one's not going to work, there's still another one coming. But capitalize. I mean, the time is now.
So investors should call you.
Like I just said, I have 3 times as many deals now as I did last year. And probably 6 times as much as the year before. So if you want a deal, yeah, call us right now. Let's chat about how we can put a deal together, because the game is deal flow. When I have deal flow, I have selection. And when we have investors that we know want to purchase something or want to buy something, we can plug the right people into the right deals. We were joking the other day and standing there in the bullpen in our sales room, and we said, hey, boys and girls, it's time to fill up the whiteboard again. And they said, what are we doing? I said, we're going to write all the investors on one side and we're going to write all the deals they want on the other. And every time someone has a deal, we're going to write it up on the board. So we're literally going to have wants, needs, and what we have. And we're just going to start matching them with people. I mean, that's where we're at right now. It's game on.
It's the investor season. It's like hunting season.
It's the best investor season I've seen in 4 years. Like, let's go.